Our hearts beat to the city.
Welcome to FFC, Voice of the People, where open dialogue meets diverse perspective. Now join us as we explore a topic that matters most, sparks conversation, and amplify the voice of our community. Let's dive in together.
Welcome, welcome. Good evening, good afternoon to everyone that are watching us. We are again at another live video, and this evening we want to put a smile on your faces, realizing that in Jamaica there's so much things that it causes for you to be depressed, and tonight we want to do a show that will make you go back to the olden days. And tonight, we hope you enjoy what we have in store for you. And so, but before I go into what I'm planning to go to, for all of those who are coming on the live, welcome, share the live. And for those of you who have had a rough day, perhaps the month have been a rough month, I just want to say to you, keep the faith, yeah? Be strong and be very courageous. Do not give up. Whilst there is life, there is hope. And there's so much things that happened since here, and thank God we are still around. And be hopeful. Be, in spite of your situation that you may be facing right now, just know that tomorrow can be better than today. So that is it that we have for now. So just keep the faith and come along with us this evening. I want to make you smile. All right, that is it. So tonight we want to deal with the whole aspect and the whole business of Jamaican rituals. Do you believe some of these things? Because it is funny, because when I was ready to come on this live this evening, I left something and I have to turn back for it, and that is why we was a little bit late. And so you wonder if these things are true, because then them say if I go somewhere and you turn back, a bad luck. But me not know, but it seemed like it's true in my situation, but I don't know. What do you think about it?
Well, most people practice these things. Good evening. Welcome to Free Flow Chat, FFC TV. Thanks for watching, and do enjoy our live show this evening. Many people believe them and practice them, and so sometimes they make you being afraid.
Yeah.
And so some are true and some are maybe for some people it is not true, but in some cases I found out that some of these things are true. Because this one I believe is true.
Yeah.
This one is true with me. They say when time you are a pregnant woman and you want something and you don't get it, and if you scratch, the baby come mark.
Yes.
And that is true. Because I wanted something when I was pregnant. Beef means to be exact. And I walked out the whole Christiana and couldn't get none. And I was about 8 months and 2 weeks pregnant. And I went home and scratch. And means come on my daughter, right under her breast here, and right on her handbag. I was even saying to her this week, we say, see the mark on your hand there, Abigail?
Yes.
I'm sure.
Yes.
And she said, which part is there, mommy? Which part of that look? Me say, see it there under the and see it for your handbag.
Yes.
And say, me search out Christiana since recently. And come here say, show me never get it. Me mind upon it still.
Yeah.
And me go look and me no get none. And you know where I get a pack? In town today. when I went and bring my daughter
Oh,
up there,
so
I
after
got a pack of mints and bring
after
it down
so many years.
for $500.
So hold on. So after so many years, you still was searching for mints?
Yes, because I know Sita Christiana.
Ah, wow.
So I say, don't want trouble frog.
Yes.
Frog, if you trouble frog, frog will spit on you and give you cocoa.
Yes.
What is cocoa? Is that a real thing?
The bumpy something where they say they pan them back.
Yeah.
That
When I you believe it.
Mm.
I believe it, man. I believe it. Definitely believe it and say a true thing because and in truth, in truth and the fact they do if you shoot trouble frog in and frog get the frog get upset. Indeed, it will spit stuff on you.
Oh.
Eh?
And it will cause problem. So that one they are real true. It will cause problem. It's a poisonous substance
Yeah.
that cause a lot of irritation and can lead to a whole lot of different conditions. So in truth it is.
Okay.
It is true.
I'm not. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
go ahead. No, you finish.
Mama, you were saying something about the same thing?
Well, you know, all the while, you know, we hear this thing, but I've never really seen anybody with that no, see, nobody comes to me say happen to them. Eh?
Never run with frog?
No,
Yeah, man, that's why
make it them.
No, me see people throw salt and so can you see my mother? We used to afraid of frog, you know.
Yeah.
And my mother, she would throw salt on them. She would take all machine. One day one frog come in at the house and mother take the machete and just stab the frog and have him wheel him over me and my sister on the bed. And not never happened to we. No, never happened to she neither.
So what about this one
Yeah.
about opening umbrella in your house? If you open umbrella in your house, you won't get married.
Well, I don't know. You know, I mean, a lot of people, I believe that. That is well. As a man, me never true. I am the one who will actually propose to a woman. So if we open an umbrella, it's not gonna really bother me. But I think the females are more afraid of something like that than the males because true we are the one who always propose. So you know, I think that more real in the life of a female than the life of a male. What do you think?
Yeah. They say, yeah man.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
But me want my umbrella in the house and me married. So me don't know.
Oh, you have an umbrella house?
Yeah, we used to have. And they said, duppy will come underneath it too.
Oh.
Yes, man. Underneath the umbrella, say. You know, you want the umbrella in the house. They say if you go out and somebody sneeze by you, you know, if you bother go, you know, go see the person we are go look for.
Oh, you know, because you were telling me about something like that where you say your father didn't have such an experience. So, when you say your father was experienced?
He was going to look for someone and we sneeze.
You're still in the umbrella section?
We passed the umbrella section.
Yeah, so
We're gonna sneezing.
Alright,
yes. Yes, yeah, man.
They say if you go out and somebody sneeze on you, you don't bother go, cause whatever business you're going about, it not go work out. Well, it happened to my father because when he go up on the road and worse if he go collect money and we sneeze, he's not bother go. Can you say you not go see the person we go to?
The person is done our money not go from.
My father?
Yeah.
Enough time him go fit and that up man.
They don't want to give money, man. They don't want you see me? Don't say something. Say go and fly anyway.
Yeah.
I start sneeze. Then I go sleep.
No, me no bother go. No.
That's sneeze, you know. Somebody that really want to go in that thing.
Yeah, true man.
So you have the other one with them say, never you pint and agree.
Yeah.
If you pint and agree, what are you supposed to do?
You have to bite your finger then.
So what is the situation? Why them say you must pint?
Well, they say your finger then we rotten. So
Yeah.
therefore we are bite like juice when we are come from school.
Them things are just some things. You just I think it would, I don't know what I want if it works.
No,
But I think it's just something where all them people and usually take to keep you in line.
yes,
Because you know, this is just a thing where they use to keep us in
a
line.
fear factor.
And it works. So
Yeah.
it will come like Final 13 or
Yes.
Final Destination.
Yes, right.
That kind of
Yes.
situation.
Mhm.
So you have to actually, you know, you have to keep yourself in check because them, you know, they have to keep you in check. Because one of the time, you know, when me a boy, you know,
Yeah.
mother or father usually left you a yard, you know, and if you're 15 hours, nobody will be there with you. Yeah, you can't do that with no them are picking you. So, well, them have to tell you them to keep you in check. Believe me, you know, one of the time when we're younger, you know, they go to market or they go do something. And if I remember say, and I like now when they can go to Kingston and come back within hours, you know.
Yes.
You have to take one whole day to go to Kingston.
That
and
is
come
true.
back.
Yes.
So they must have things to tell you to keep your backside quiet. Free, get to all road, you remember, you don't know no rolling cab.
Oh God.
I know about rolling cabs.
Yes, because we know say the rolling cab thing, you know, you have this big old chain and you know if rolling cab if I run it down, trouble. And you have this big old chain behind him. And of course then them tell us say a man who are butchers and when them pass off, them turn rolling cab.
You know it.
Me hear about it, but me not really understand much of it.
No, and that's the
Yeah.
the road's rolling cab. Alright, so we have another one now, which is if you dream about what? Cockroach?
No man, Cho Cho.
No, yeah, if you dream about Cho Cho.
Yes, a pregnancy.
If you think about a pregnancy. Really? Which one never did about?
Well, we can't dream about what?
No, that's you.
Yeah.
No, it's anybody, man.
Yeah,
So
man.
if you dream about Cho Cho,
Yes.
somebody close to you, I'll get pregnant. You not get pregnant.
Yeah, you're right.
But you still can dream.
Yeah.
I guess.
So you can dream and you pass on the dream to the person.
Yeah.
And there is another thing when them say if lizard jump on you,
Yes.
somebody feel pregnant.
Yeah, yes. Yes.
You hear about that too?
Oh,
yeah.
yes. Oh, yes.
But when Lisa jump on me I say, but after me now go pregnant.
Yeah, but somebody feel if I get pregnant. The thing is, a situation is, you know, it might happen, you know. But you know, I check every family member or our friend and say, yo, you're pregnant. Can't lizard jump on me last time.
But sometimes it's the woman directly who the lizards jump and get pregnant. The person.
Sometimes somebody in their family, and not only that. Remember when be pregnant, about 3 somebody in their family teeth at them. Yeah, man.
So what I say? When
They get teeth ache when people pregnant. In their family, you get teeth
I
ache.
didn't know which month it was.
Well, I think it was June.
A cold time.
No, man, do that summertime.
A cold time. Still no.
Do that summertime.
Hi, June.
Do that summertime.
That's fine. You know? So, alright. So, we're on to something else. You want party vibes.
Yeah.
So them say if you dream, so wedding now.
A funeral.
So that ever happen to any of you?
Yeah, man. Me dream see wedding and a funeral happen.
Okay.
Well, one I think that somebody said to us that somebody dream say a whole pot for somebody house top.
Pat.
Yeah.
Pot, like
whole pot.
cook.
And the person somebody lose somebody out of the family. That's why the whole pot was on the person house top.
I never get enough food, man. Yeah, I said, one day we should have tea, so I don't.
A true man, cause you know, say when the person said that too. And when me said to them, say me auntie dead, you know. They must say, oh, because you know, say me dream say I will leave a pot for you stop like you know cook. Say me auntie dead about a month ago. So that part they are true.
That's it, entire pot.
Yes. If see people are dig hole. You see people are dig.
People are dog.
People too.
Don't rush.
Oh, there
don't
is,
rush.
yes.
Don't rush.
All right, but
Don't rush the thing.
yes,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
one other thing that me notice that one day me go to bed and I'm dream say a few of my front teeth them drop out, and not long after my uncle pass up.
Rush, rush.
Brush my teeth them every night, man, every day. I realize, yeah, I'm cool.
It's just too much things.
Yeah.
They say. But it's just specific things. You just going to that, you just something that you just sleep.
Me not eat late. Me not get nightmare.
Maybe a toothbrush or change.
I don't know.
Yeah, you want to buy one toothbrush.
I don't nightmare after I got me eat, I eat late.
So this is the part where you say when you see a dog. Well, me know me here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Everybody start.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see one dog.
I dig old, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man. So that's
And when dog are yes. When dog are there. Yes.
So for everybody we just step in the life, if any, reach out and say good night and tell me some of your things where you remember where this is concerned.
Yes.
And all of these proverbs and all of these Jamaican sayings. Yeah, man. So we are talking about Jamaican proverbs and saying and the myths.
Yes.
Myths of Jamaica and wider world. Some of them are wider world. You know, so we just talk about the myth of dog and the wolf. Dog see a wolf, pussy a wolf. Yeah, man. Alright. Yeah, I remember one time we got a market, pussy a market. Dog see a wolf. And then you now say, what you say? Pussy a wolf. You know? Yeah, man. So you know something when they are good, you know?
Ah, God.